It is a hot and humid day here in North Carolina. We actually have several storm fronts coming through here. So I'm really trying to hope to get this video done today because I don't know if I'm going to be able to come out for the next couple of days. But today I am going to try and photograph the yellow-breasted chat. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, the yellow-breasted chat is a warbler. It is one of the largest warblers you'll find here in North Carolina. They are, I don't want to say they're rare, but they're kind of uncommon here as far as finding them. Usually if you find an area where there's brushy areas here with a stream going through it, usually yellow-breasted chat will be found somewhere around there. And the reason for that is the yellow-breasted chat eats a lot of insects and it feeds its youngs almost exclusively insects. This animal has a huge diverse diet. In the fall they'll eat almost 2/3 of their diet will be eating fruits that they find as they're migrating. Now this bird migrates to North Carolina. They breed as far north as British Columbia, as far west as California, so they have a huge territory that they can be found in. In that territory, they're very spread out and very uncommon in most of the area here. They are an animal of some concern, but the numbers have been going up over the years. And this bird here in North Carolina is considered very uncommon. I shouldn't say very uncommon, it's uncommon. And I'm excited that there is one down here in this bottom here. So I got a brook coming through here and a lowland here that floods pretty regularly. So that kills a lot of your oaks and your maples and things like that. So I have brushy like willows and that kind of brushy kind of stuff that's down here. Because of the flooding, any tree that gets too big, they drown when it floods. So this is excellent habitat for the yellow-breasted chat. And I know there's a nest right down here. So what I'm going to do is just sit on this, I'm on a raised roadbed here, and I'm just going to wait for that bird to hop out and I'm going to take a picture of it. I just had that dickcissel land on a bush over here. As you can tell from this video, the light is just too harsh for me to take a picture of them. But I think it's really cool that I see this dickcissel. This is where I did that video for that dickcissel. If you want to see that video, I'm going to leave a link below. But it's sometimes when you post up like this, you never know what you're going to run into. And constantly looking around and seeing what's here, you'd be surprised what you'll run into. Well, you know what they say, it's better to be lucky than good. The cloud cover came in and that bird hopped out there as soon as the cloud cover came over. I took some pictures, I got this video of it. It's an incredibly beautiful bird, and that black mask just pops on this bird here. And as soon as the bird flew away, the cloud cover went away, the harsh light came back, and it's just, I can't get over how lucky I am. And if these photos are any good, here they are. I'm going to end the video here. The light has become very, very harsh. We got a storm front. I was just on the phone there and it says that there's a major thunderstorm warning coming through the area I'm in here right now. So I'm going to end the video here. I don't want to be caught in my car if there's a severe thunderstorm or even worse, a tornado. So I want to thank you for watching. If you got anything out of the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.